Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone has an active WhatsApp account and a live internet connection. This is essential. Once done, open your laptop browser to web, WhatsApp.com, or launch the official desktop app and keep the phone unlocked. Make sure the WhatsApp app on your phone is updated and the camera permission is enabled. Next, you will scan the QR code displayed on the laptop. This links the session securely, so position your phone camera to capture the entire code clearly. On your phone, go to Settings, then Link Devices. This is where you initiate the secure pairing. Tap Link a Device, point your phone camera at the laptop screen, and hold steady until the QR code registers. If the camera struggles, move to better light and tap Refresh on the laptop. If you need to use WhatsApp without the phone later, opt into WhatsApp multi-device from the same menu. That creates an independent, encrypted session for the laptop, while explaining why the pairing persists even if the phone disconnects. After the QR scan completes, confirm the session by checking recent chats and notification behavior. Adjust notification settings and desktop permissions if needed. Make sure you know how to log out by going back to linked devices on your phone and selecting the session to end remote access. If something goes wrong, first verify both devices have correct date and time, then clear the browser or app cache and restart the phone and laptop. This simple sequence fixes most sync and QR recognition problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.